name is Varikolu Madhavan. I was graduated in 𝐀𝐁𝐎𝐔𝐓 College of Engineering Technology in the year 2024 from computer science stream. So I was interested in cloud and automation side. So then I got to know about this StarAgile Institute, where I took the AWS DevOps course, in which they majorly focused on from starting from the scratch till the advanced level. So mainly they're helping us to learn the things even better from the scratch. Like, not only for the professionals, it is much useful for the freshers as well, like me. It helped me a lot in gaining some experience and all the things in the DevOps tools and all. So using the tools, like I have recently cracked an interview in a Phenom company. So I was selected as a software development trainee intern. So hoping like StarAgile will help others as well in the future. Before joining the course, like I was confused a bit about this course, like how it will be, how we have to like improve our skills, because like as a fresher getting into a DevOps role is like it is impossible if not wrong, because like most of the professionals will only get the DevOps roles. But like after getting into this role, I have learned everything, like every tool in from the scratch, and I have mastered every tool. Like it helped me a lot in improving my knowledge, and like finally I got an offer. So not only related to skills, I also gained some personal life experience from the trainers and also from the mentors. They not only trained and mentored us related to the subject, but also gave some real-time examples which we can use in our life. So coming to the career service team, like they helped me a lot in doing everything. Like even though I don't know what to do, they guided me like in such a way that what to be prepared for the interview, what to be done during the interview and all the stuff. Not only regarding the interview, but also they helped me in improving my communication skills, like how to behave in the HR round and all the other stuff. That helped me a lot in cracking the interview. So I can say that career service team at StarAgile is helping like freshers like me a lot in cracking an interview. The trainer is very good. He's having so much of experience in terms of like software field. So he has gained so much experience in not only his training regarding the tools, but also he's sharing his experience regarding the like professional side. We can get much deeper in it. And coming to the mentoring sessions, Vikul was my mentor during the session. So he used to address every query, not only in terms of like live session, but also when I have a query, he used to tell me through the LinkedIn. And coming to the career services, like they helped me a lot in improving my communication skills and also like how to like perform in the interview and all the other stuff. So overall it was a very good experience, like learning the course at StarAgile, and also the career service was very good.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.